Okay, Unit 4 test review. Express the ratios in lowest fractional form. So I put 33 over 22. Okay, or 33 over 21, my bad. Now you can use ABC. I'm fine with that. But that is not an acceptable answer for a ratio. Okay? You need to take it one step further, use 7 as the bottom, and then take 1 times 7 and add 4. It's 11, okay? Or you could just divide them both by 3 if you know your multiplication tables, okay? 11 sevenths. Or on a multiplication chart, they're both in the 3rd row, okay? Okay, 10 pounds to 35 pounds. Look at a multiplication table, they're both in the 5th row. So it's 2 pounds over 5 pounds, okay? Okay, 3 inches to 36 feet. That is, you can't do it that way, okay? Because you have inches and feet, they're different. You have to convert them to the same unit, okay? So if you remember how to do this, you set up a cross multiply and divide. So 12 inches, 1 foot, inches, feet. Now, look at the one that's at 1. Okay, you want to put the number in that's straight across from the 1. So how many feet? I want to put a number there. So how many feet do I have? I have 36 feet. Okay. Cross multiply and divide. 12 times 36 divided by 1 is going to be 432. So, watch this now. Okay, you always, when you have to get them to a common unit, put a number in that's straight across from the 1. Okay, so how many feet did I have? I had 36 feet. I want to get rid of 36 feet. Well, we just did 432 inches. So 432, both in inches now. So 3 ABC 432. 1 over 144. So inches, inches. We got some more where that came from. 20 centimeters is 0.5 meters. You can't do the ratio when it's like that. Okay, you need to use your 100 centimeters to 1 meter and make the conversion. Okay, replace, put a number that's across from the 1, so meters. So that would be 0.5. Okay. Alright, then cross multiply and divide to figure out how many centimeters, 0.5 meters. So 100 times 0.5 is 50 centimeters. So you cross out 0.5 meters and replace it with 50 centimeters, and now you're in like Flynn. 20 cm, 50 cm. Those are both in the 10th row, so divide by 10, and it's 2 to 5. 2 centimeters to 5 centimeters, okay? You gotta come up with a common unit. Okay, use your 1,000, again, you have meters and kilometers, so 1,000 meters, 1 kilometer. Put your labels, please, okay? Okay, I need the number placed across from the 1, okay? So how many kilometers do I have? Well, 0.45. We're going to replace that and figure out how many meters that is first. So that's going to be 450. So 450. Now take your 150 meters to your 450 meters and just reduce it. Okay, you probably need ABC on that. Or you could take away the zeros and they're both in the 15th row. Okay, either way it's 1/3. So 1 meter to 3 meters. That's a final answer. Okay, before you set a ratio with units, they have to be the same. You're going to use a conversion. Put the number across from the 1, then you're converting the other one. Okay, number 6. The cost and selling price of merchandise are listed in the table. Determine the profit, then determine the cost of selling price ratio and the cost to profit ratio. Cost to selling price, cost to profit. Okay. Now, cost 90, you sold it for 105. To find the profit, you take 105 minus 90. Okay, that'd be $15. That'd be $70. That'd be $12 you're subtracting, and that'd be $50. Cost of selling price, okay? So the cost of selling price. So the cost is 90, the selling price is 105. You got to put them in the correct order. 90 over 105, and then reduce it. Okay, 6 to 7, 6/7. Okay, this one right here. Cost of selling price 220 to 290. It's 22 to 29. The zeros just come off. Okay. 22 to 29. Cost of selling price. You got to put the cost first. 15 to 27. ABC that, you're going to get 5/9, 5 to 9. These are the answers here, the simplified form. Okay. Okay. Cost of selling price 550 to 600. Well, we know we're going to end up with 55 to 60. Then probably divide by 5 would be 11/12. But let's make sure. Yeah. Okay. Cost of profit. Okay, so cost is 90, profit's 15. 90 to 15. You ABC that, you get 6, but you need to put it as 6 to 1. Okay, that's a ratio. Cost of profit, so 220 to 70. That ain't a ratio. So you can put 7, but you write out what you got, and you take 3 times 7, add 1. So that's going to be 22 to 7. Again, there are no mixed numbers allowed in this. Okay, ratios one quantity to another quantity. Cost of profit 15 to 12. Okay, you're going to do the same thing. That ain't a ratio. Oh yeah, it's 4. But 1 1/4, that's going to be 4 plus 1 is 5. So it's 5 to 4. Okay. Okay, then finally, cost of profit, 550 to 50. Then you simplify it. No mixed numbers, no whole numbers. If it's a whole number, you just put a 1 with it. That's an easy fix. So 11 to 1. Okay, there you go. Proportion's easy. Okay, cross multiply and divide, or it's 1. First answer is 1. Okay, no, it's not. Okay, yeah, it is. It's 1. Okay, next one is 17.5. They're not asking me for a ratio, so I'm fine with that. 6.6 times 7.5 divided by 22.5, 2.2. Then you're going to take 1 ABC8 times 1 ABC2 divided by 3 ABC4. Okay, 112. Again, for those of you who think, okay, my camera's about to die.